Xfinity Flex channels are a feature for Xfinity Internet or TV subscribers. They allow you to pick up to 10 live TV channels and on-demand content to stream without extra cost. Think of it as a customizable mini cable package included with your Xfinity service. You can easily swap, add, and manage your channel lineup using the Xfinity app or your Xfinity Flex 4K box. As of November 2025, there are over 150 channels to choose from, including news, sports, and lifestyle options. Adding channels to your Xfinity Flex lineup is straightforward. Start by logging into your Xfinity account through the app or on your Flex device. Navigate to the Flex Channels section, which might appear under Watch Free with Flex on your device. In the app, look for the Flex Channels area. Browse the available channels by scrolling through the grid. Select Add to My Picks for channels you want to include. You can pick up to 10 channels at once. To swap channels, go to the My Picks tab in your Flex interface. Choose a channel from your current picks and select the swap option. Then browse and select a replacement channel from the available options. Swaps are unlimited and happen instantly. For managing your picks, you can reorder them by dragging and dropping in the app to prioritize your favorites. To remove a channel, select it and choose Remove to free up a slot for new additions. All changes are real-time, so your channel lineup updates immediately, giving you full control over your viewing experience.